Hey YouTube, Brian Gans right here with you again. Gonna bring you a video tonight about stock dogs working with our goats. Very good friend of mine, Patrick Dean. Been emailing each other back and forth for years. He's been very patient with me, but finally got to meet him. And he brought up Mac, who is a Border Collie, and Zoey, an Australian Kelpie, who we are really interested in purchasing soon. And worked them with the goats. The video you're about to see right now, this is the first time these goats have ever been worked with a dog, and I think you're going to be as amazed as I was. I will say flat out, you know, I've worked with goats for 4 years without a dog, and after working them with a dog, it really is hard to go back to doing it like that. So hope you enjoy the video. You're going to see Zoey first. You'll see a little bit of Mac. I wish I had some better footage of Mac. He actually got in under the goat, sprung up the other side like you see in some of the other YouTube videos, and he's just a hardcore dog. But most of this video focuses on Zoey, and you'll hear Patrick dispensing some wisdom, so sit back and enjoy. God bless you all.
So here's the thing you'll learn about. Leave them. Now, if they have really good breeding, they'll have good balance and rate. They'll want to go ahead and get the stock together and bring them to you. And this line of Kelpies, I mean, they have tremendous balance. Make sure to tell them this is breaking like these guys have in hand. But you know, they have tremendous balance, so keep them in the group. Once we get these few fibers done, we'll be able to just hold them here.
Goats are not respecting her.
No, it's just a new dog. So. Okay. They are now.
Okay, I got you. So when her job is done, she will then go lay down.
Yeah, she'll back up. See, she's widening out already. She's got her troublemakers eyeballs. She's already punched them. And that's it. So look at, pan down. Show them how tight they are to you. I mean, you can get them, and they're very calm. Nobody's excited. You know,
in the pocket.
Our couple little fighters here have already given up the ghost. They're done. They're nice and calm. You know, she'll keep them balanced up. We weed through here and need to work somebody. Yeah. Oh, there's always one. You know, this is a great part right here. If you have a lame foot or a bad foot or an ear problem or a tooth problem, it's minutes by yourself. It takes longer to walk to the pasture, get out whatever you're treating with, than it does to actually get the goats. There's no going to a pen if you have a good corner. Steady, steady.
And you've got confidence in her. You can do your thing.
I don't worry about anything. I mean, who do you want?
Exactly.
You know, point at one. Which one do you want?
That one right there with no horns. You got it.
This one right here?
Right. Well, she's trying to bolt right here.
Oh, this old lady?
Yep.
Yeah. There.
There's a sale bar and somebody took her horns off.
You know, you can do whatever you want. You can mouth them, you can fix the foot. I'm not worried about the dog. She's got this mean goat behind me busy.
Yep.
And the mean goat's not focusing on me either.
Yeah, no cheap shots on the shepherd at all.
Yeah, but she backed off. The goat
Yeah, of course she did.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so simple. So, yeah, 5 minutes to soften them up. You know, goats and sheep are prey animals. They know what a predator is as long as your dog's under control and has proper instinct. It's so easy.
So
it is the epitome of foolishness to run out here and start, you know, the flags and 3 or 4 people. Yeah, it's just quiet work.
from here, if I want them up in that other shaded corner, I just walk that way.
Up there. Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah. New dog, they'll move for the first time they move the dog. There it is. Come by. You see how placed she has them? That's the thing too, once you use a dog to place sheep and or goats in place, if we stood there and kept working with work on feet, you don't have to be concerned. They will learn to stick where they've been put. Now I'm not going to say anything, she'll probably bounce up on her own here. So this is all good breeding, just casting around. She wants to keep them together. This is how hard it is to move dogs. It takes seconds. Like I said, this is early on. Once they've had a few training sessions, I mean, it's smooth. She won't have to come up and educate these ornery boogers. And once our ornery ones figure out that the dog's going to win, it's just easy.
And how long has she been working?
Well, she's got about a year. Real stock work, starting around a year old. And yeah, now as soon as the goat gives up, done. So you'll hear people that don't know stock work talk about the dog punishes them. As soon as the confrontation over, a good dog backs off. You know, it knows the rate, and you can get very, very calm stock. Very calm. Very calm.
Yeah, they're all.
And she knows who has an eye on her and wants to challenge her. Like, watch here. See this one here? She's been eyeballing her hard, just staring at her. She knows who's. She's got your 3 or 4 biggest troublemakers already got their number. And she gave it up. Yeah, when she had a side shot or back shot, she'd take it. But you know, she doesn't want to face the teeth.
So how long on a goat like that, moderately aggressive right now, out of everybody else here, will she get over that after working with this dog for a while?
A good portion of them with 2 or 3 handlings will yield automatically. And right now, I mean, they're under tremendous pressure. They're scared of you. You know, you've always treated them so they move away from you. Now we're crowding them up to people, which you're not used to in the attack corner. As soon as they realize that, you just like her now, she's getting them broke. A couple more of these sessions where they know that the dog will not bite them if they yield and they flop, they get way calmer. They get calm down. I mean, we have 2 or 3 fighters. Most of your fighters will give it up. You always have 1 or 2 that's a little more resistant and will challenge the dogs. If you get a super aggressive goat, and you'll have some, I don't care if it's goats or sheep or pigs or cattle, you'll have some percentage that are super aggressive and just want to attack the dog every single time. Those are in your best interest to hold.
Okay.
And the thing is that it's highly heritable, that aggressive behavior, and those are ones, I mean, you'll know it, everybody who's ever milked cows knows. If they have a cow that's really difficult when you go to run an IV or anything where she's constrained and doesn't want to be, and her offspring tend to be the same way, and beef cattle are the same way. So if you have one that's just terribly wild and wants to bolt and run through fences all the time, or always wants to try to kill the dog every time, you can make a calling selection. But even here, what do we have total here in this little group?
We probably only have about 50, 60 in here.
Okay, so you have one that might be a problem. That would be 2% of your flock. And you know, as you can see, she's not really aggressive. She's she's giving it up.
I think we're closer to 40, 50 right now.
That's right.
Let out quite a bit.
But and look how calm we are now. Even after that little confrontation with the new dog,
everybody is
they're done.
Right on the shepherd.
And giving it up. And we can back her out manually too. I mean, she's been working with no commands this whole time. That's the thing that's critical, that a dog that's been worked appropriately. She has great balance and rate. She knows when I use her in these kinds of situations, I'm checking livestock, you know, whether I'm repairing a foot or giving a vaccination and treatment, or I just want to select one out. Somebody's come to purchase one, I'm going to grab it. I do this so the dogs, this is the work we do. Okay, they learn to balance them up too. But I can also give the commands, you know, and loosen her up if I want to do more distance. Zoey,
so with Mac, you told her lie down.
Yeah, I can use lie down and get out. Make sure she's not in a confrontation. You're primal and there's a yield to a go. Gotcha. Turn around and then facing like that. They'll pursue out the flock and think they've won.
Yeah, we don't need that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still stared out over here. She'll play.
But she's got them, I mean, they're all held, so it's a matter of just keeping them in the group.
Do you have her go down to a pasture, gather them up, and bring them back?
Yeah,
without you being there with them?
No, well, so at first it starts like everything else. Now our dairy dogs, after years of doing the same work every day, 4:30 become feed. I speak from teenage experience. If you're not at 4:30 milking cows, they're in the pen because the dog will go down the lane and bring them up to get you roasted. But no, you know, you're gonna go out and direct them.
Here we go.
All right.
We can.
That'll do. Lie down. Lie down.
Stay behind me.
Good boys. Ooh,
Smelly.
spicy.
Yep.
Aromatic. All right, let's lie down. You were hoping for a little, weren't you? Lie down, Zoe. That'll do. Walk up. You're the perfect gentleman. What you were talking about. Lie down.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Zoey was awesome to have on the farm, and Mac too. Just seeing these animals, you know, express their nature and do what they're supposed to do is just an amazing thing to be part of. Special thanks to my friend Patrick Dean from thestockdogcompany.com, and you'll see his information right down below in the description. God bless you guys. See y'all next time. Bye.